Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.46. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.04%. This results in an average return of 0.13% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and slightly upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is likely. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 9.44% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 6.18% to 11.04%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an indication of a 30.25% change over the next 12 months, with possible returns between 22.71% and 31.94%. This would correspond to a price range between $653.37 and $702.54 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline, VOO ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The VOO ETF price increased by approximately 0.226% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024. The price rose from $531.27 to $532.47. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.589%, with a low of $530.06 and a high of $533.18. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.55% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.18 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $538.76, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price stands 1.17%, or $6.29, below the 52-week high of $538.76, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Today, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, is shaped by a variety of market dynamics. Futures for the S&P 500 are indicating a positive rebound, particularly fueled by a notable surge of 14% in Tesla. This rise has bolstered technology stocks and is contributing to a potential end to a 3-day losing streak. The positive sentiment in the tech sector could enhance VOO's performance in the short term as it aligns with the broader index. However, cautionary signals are beginning to emerge. Goldman Sachs has presented a stark prediction for the S&P 500, forecasting modest returns over the next decade. This outlook may cast a shadow over investor sentiment, possibly leading to a more cautious approach towards investments in VOO, especially among long-term investors who may be concerned about prolonged underperformance in the market. Furthermore, recent remarks from financial analysts emphasize a bearish divergence between the stock market and high-risk assets like junk bonds, suggesting a lack of investor confidence. With increased volatility expected due to geopolitical tensions and uncertain domestic conditions, VOO investors should prepare for possible turbulence. Overall, while the short-term prospects appear to be buoyed by recent gains in technology, the long-term outlook for VOO remains uncertain. This situation encourages investors to consider the immediate benefits against potential future risks. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF is currently showing a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a conflicting buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. If the ETF continues to rise, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $534.88. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $524.30. A breakthrough above the short-term average will indicate a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that the volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the short-term trajectory. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and thus far it has decreased by 0.91%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 56 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 230 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $522.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to display very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $3.12 between its high and low, which represents a change of 0.589%. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.753%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $532.71. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $522.74. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $513.13, reflecting a decrease of 3.63%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis for this ETF since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of October, we expect VOO to open lower by approximately 56 cents, starting the trading day at $531.90. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.